First on 13, we're taking a live look at the Iowa Supreme Court building across the street from the state capitol. And we'll be watching today when the Iowa Supreme Court will hear the arguments this afternoon over the fetal heartbeat law that Governor Kim Reynolds has tried to put into effect. Our Tidor Mitov joins us in studio this morning to break down the timeline. So Tidor, how did we get to where we are today?
Yeah, Kaylin, it all started in May 2018 when Governor Reynolds signed the fetal heartbeat law, which would prevent most abortions after 6 weeks of pregnancy.
I understand and I anticipate that this will likely be challenged in court, and that courts may even put on hold a law until it reaches the Supreme Court.
And the governor was right. Abortion providers immediately filed a lawsuit, and a judge issued an injunction blocking enforcement.
We would not be able to provide abortions for patients that are at or around 6 weeks or that show fetal cardiac activity, and that would be the majority of our patients.
And the injunction became permanent in January 2019 after a district judge ruled the law violated the Iowa Constitution. But after the United States Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, the case here in Iowa went back to the courts. Justices at the Iowa Supreme Court deadlocked on the issue last year, again preventing enforcement of the law. And in response, Reynolds called a special session last July where a new fetal heartbeat law was passed. Abortion providers then filed another lawsuit, and the courts ordered an injunction. Both sides will be presenting arguments at the Iowa Supreme Court today, starting at 1:30 p.m., but the ruling on the law is expected sometime in June, Kaylin.
Okay, we'll continue to follow this. Tidor Mitov, thank you for that timeline this morning.